So hop in. February 10th, 2013. Clean up. A little bit of snow in front of this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can we start shoveling that one? Or?
Yeah, shovel this one out. Get this one cleared out. He's going to try to make a run. Yeah, I got you on TV.
Sounds good.
All right.
You got CNN or something?
Yeah. Hey Joe, wave for the camera.
I want you to send that to Judy.
Yeah, she'll see it eventually. Plow truck's ready to go. Okay, Colby, turn off the radio. Colby. All right.
A little camera shy.
Yeah. We're gonna make that the first car on the line.
Huh?
That's gonna be the first car on the line over here. Okay, he's almost done. Just get it out from underneath the front wheels.
Yeah, he should be good now.
All right.
He should be all right.
Give it a shot.
Yeah, he got it.
No, not quite.
Back it up.
Yeah, how's that? You see it that way? Okay, bring it around. Here's the stripe. And line them up on the stripe. Right here. Okay, okay, good. No, too far. Back up. Good.